There goes the bus. There was somebody waiting for it at the bus station. I kind of find it interesting because the schedule says 6:30 on it. So it's like 2 minutes early, 6:28. But that's pretty good. They stick to the schedule. Oh, there is a person right here. Maybe we'll go here and check out what they're doing. I think it's a workout place. Let's go this way, chicken. Chicken. Oh, chicken doesn't want to go out. He wants to cross the street. Chicken want to cross the street. You don't want to go this way. See, it's the shot color. The Chickster 5.0. Every table on Washington Boulevard. The other side is the bright side. That's probably why the Chickster wants to cross. See, now he wants to go. They were probably gonna offer me a gym membership anyways, or yeah, that's sweat 60. Basically, maybe they mean sweat for 1 hour, 1 hour workout. It's probably what the 60 stands for. I think it's called Bunda. Move garage sale, moving sale, 11821 Atlantic Avenue on 419 from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Bunda, strength plus stairs. Wow, they're out early and they need more customers. See, this is what I was talking about. Time now 6:30. Next bus 6:30. We already went by 6:28. Another Waymo. So it's the flotilla of Waymos. I like seeing them parading towards Santa Monica in the mornings. The Papaya Veterinary, Boy Parker, Boy Barker, not Parker. I read it incorrectly from far away. It's like a full service grooming for dogs. It's like a spa day for the doggies. And then we have the Orange Theory, another